Good morning, YouTube. Yes, we have Mark's Exige here again, and today we're going to change out the brake fluid because, well, if you're going to be playing with a track toy, you kind of want good brake fluid. That's the one thing. If you're going to be beating your car on the track or just driving it hard, change the brake fluid. They actually say every month, but I think that's kind of like, really? Every month? Certainly every year, because brake fluid does absorb water. But anyway, that's Mark. Do you remember Mark?
Cisco Cracker,
He's
aka
back,
Coop.
spelled that way.
SISQO.
With, yeah, he's on everything. Instagram, Facebook, and of course you remember he was on VinWiki.
Hey, look, 150 speed. Look, my foot's off the gas.
Telling a crazy story about running from the cops in Germany. I mean,
Hungary.
Hungary. That's right, Hungary.
Yeah, I lived
right?
in Hungary for 3 years.
Oh, that's what it was. Okay. Don't run from the cops. But yes, let's change the brake fluid on an Exige.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
Alright, so the master cylinder is actually under this panel, which is just a couple of 3 mils. Again, these cars are kind of like designed for playing and toying with, so they're,
Don't drop these washers. They're
Yeah.
flanged, special. They're pocketed socket.
yeah,
Tight.
you can see how it's designed to fit the bolt
into
right
the
into
panel.
it. You know, I always say bolt and nut and screw wrong, but I don't really care. I'm just gonna say fasteners. That's what I should just say.
That is actually correct.
That's
Very correct.
Yeah. I'll take that.
So there's
Yeah.
this guy,
Nice. Oh yeah.
and it is dark.
That's some nasty looking brake fluid.
Let's see what it looks like in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still dark.
It's pretty dark.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna suck out the old oil using a vacuum pump, and then we're gonna add oil, brake fluid. It's oil. It's oil based, but yep, it's pulling. So, yay. Oh yeah, that's nasty.
Oh yeah, that's bad. Listen, kids, if your brake fluid looks like this,
Yeah, damn, you've been playing.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, remember brake fluid is really caustic to paint.
Oh
so
yeah, it'll be gone.
If
and nothing
you
flat.
spill it on the paint, it's not a big deal. Just wipe it out. Just don't forget to wipe it out. Yeah,
There we go.
A little bit safer for the paint. That way we're not messing up.
Just like an operating room.
Yes.
Suction.
Doctor. What movie is that from? And insert clip here.
Doctor?
Doctor.
Doctor?
Doctor.
Doctor?
Doctor.
Doctor,
Doctor.
doctor,
Doctor.
Doctor?
Doctor.
Doctor?
And doctor.
Surely you must be kidding. No,
Don't
I'm not
call me
kidding.
Shirley.
Don't call me Shirley.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
Several good ones in airplane we could be doing.
Oh yeah. There's passenger rear first.
77 foot-pounds. These things are so
77.
easy to break loose.
Jeez, then you need the breaker bar.
A whopping 235 wide in the rear.
Yeah, geez, these things are like, this is like a toy car.
The stock size in the rear is 225. These are oversized.
Oh, dude, you totally need new tires.
Yeah, I've already been ordering them. The problem is, Tire Rack is the only ones I can get the proper tires from.
We got our new .4 brake fluid. Prestone.
Yeah, I was covering up.
Yeah, whatever. They haven't sponsored me
I
yet.
haven't
Come
seen
on,
a penny
Prestone.
from Prestone.
I'd take a Prestone sponsorship. Got it. Ooh, yes. The new sauce. Everyone gets so freaked out about pouring without a funnel. Do it enough times. We're gonna be using my handy dandy motive again, so hey, it's European, same European adapter. This is great. Pretty much every car I've used has that exact adapter, so I never have to change it out. Alrighty, it's a 11 millimeter bleeder. I'll use the other side since I don't have the special
Line wrenches.
line wrenches. Yeah, I would use the box end, not the open end. God damn. Who the hell tightened that son
Guys,
of a bitch?
on there.
These things are only supposed to be like 15.
Oh,
Jesus.
Jesus.
Good lord.
Wow.
Oh, look at that nasty fluid, dude.
Mmm, taste it. Oh, wow, I see it down there.
If you hold it up, the air will come out. So if you hold it like this,
I got you.
there you go.
Oh, right, it's pressurized. It'll push.
Yep.
Yay.
Nice nastiness there, man.
Woof. That's rough right
I
there.
think it needed it.
Yeah. I don't think it's been done since the guys got the car before I got it.
Oh,
I've had
yeah.
it for 2 years now. Now, I guess I have put only about 15, 16,000 miles on the car.
Yeah, how many track days?
0.
0.
But,
oh,
you
hey,
know.
That also, he just got an air bubble.
Oh, I thought you were saying, like, close it, it's looking
No,
good.
see? Air bubble came out.
Yep, yep.
So that's, you're going to feel
That's
a little
good.
better. Oh, another one.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
Holy
good.
crap, dude.
Well, you'll feel a little
Alright.
bit firmer pedal.
It's looking cleaner.
Yeah, it's starting to, see, it went from
It's getting
shit
lighter.
brown to
lighter color.
Light brown. It's probably good. Oh yeah, that's good. Nice and clean up there. Just think, that was stopping and saving your life. Got one of them, we're gonna top it back off. Just always make sure it's pretty full, because you know, if you go dry, then you're gonna have to re-bleed the whole damn thing, which is really annoying. Good news is that was the most fluid we're gonna use because it's the furthest, so slightly less, really little.
LSS wheels.
Get the tiny little wheels that don't weigh very much on.
Yeah, the tire weighs more than the wheel.
Now you just repeat the same thing. Pull the wheel, bleed, put on the wheel. Done.
And if you find yourself tugging up on the backside, just use your weight and
Yeah, push
move,
down.
Move the wrench to the other side.
That one's done. Add new fluid, pressurize, getting the front right off. Oh,
Didn't break it loose before we lifted it.
yeah, that was dumb. Here, I can put my foot on
I was
it.
gonna say though, as easy as this thing is to do, we'll just manhandle
Yeah,
this
we'll
one.
just.
Give
Yeah,
it to her like she likes it.
I'm so strong. Oh,
Oh,
shit,
shit.
hold on. If you turn it all the way up, one, right there,
Oh, I got you.
because I can hold it at a better angle. There we go.
All right.
Did you
then
get
let's
this
spin,
one?
No, let's spin that.
Yeah, that one right there.
Cool.
'Cause I'm a man. Little bitty cars.
Ring, ring, ring.
Seriously, it's like, I mean, the Ferrari's not a big car, but damn, compared to this,
Oh, and
it's crazy.
I was going to mess with you a bit about your quarter mile time because I think this is 12 flat.
Yeah, oh, well, it's also 1,000 pounds lighter. All right.
Big beefy tire.
Yeah, this is even smaller. I've heard both, that you're supposed to bleed the inner first and then the outer, and I've heard also you're supposed to bleed the outer then the inner.
This one's just got a hard line that wraps around U-joint
Yeah.
style right underneath
Well, the theory that I've heard that actually started to make sense to me is you bleed the inner one first, because then any air will come out this side before going through and getting stuck in that
Oh.
one. So I think we should do the
Yeah,
inner
yeah.
first. It kind of makes
That'll
sense.
bring all the fresh fluid
Yeah.
all the way to that point.
And then you're only flushing a tiny little
now
bit.
this guy lost his cap, so I don't know how nasty he's going to be. We might have to clean him out before we get going.
Yeah. All right, because there's no cap on the inner one, we're gonna blast it with a little brake cleaner just to make sure we're not blowing junk all over.
Yeah,
There we go.
It was
Cool.
nice.
We're gonna do the inner first, just like we said.
Guess what?
What, different size?
Different size.
Of course it is. So the outer one's 11. The inner one might be a 10. Might be a 9. I bet it's a 9.
Oh wow.
The 9.
Yeah.
The nut is like way up there at the top of the bleeder.
It's not down here.
It's not
like
down at the
this guy.
base. It's way up at the top. And it's tiny.
That's-
It's like
here's
a
a-
6.
This is a 9 and it's huge on that thing.
What the
That's
hell?
what she said.
That is the
anyway.
weirdest thing. Okay. This. All right. It's a 1/4 inch.
Yeah.
Well.
Way to go, AP Racing.
Yeah.
Because race car. Oh, and this tube's too big.
the tube's too big.
Yeah.
Maybe we should Google. Is there something like we're missing here? Because that's so. What we kind of determined is the bleeder is above the piston, so all it's going to do is bleed out the line, not actually bleed the caliper. So to bleed the caliper, you're going to have to do the inner or the outer one anyway. So we think we're going to be good just doing the outer one, theoretically. I'm sure the internet's going to lose their mind and tell us why we're wrong, but that's fine. This one shouldn't take much at all.
Actually, this does not look as bad as the rear did.
No.
I mean, it's bad. You can see it looks like tea.
Yeah, it still looks like crap.
There's flakes of things floating out.
Some corrosion in the line. Just getting the wheel back on, and one more and it's all done. Last one. Ooh.
That was a lot easier than the others.
There we go. This one shouldn't take much at all.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it's already looking pretty good. All right, we are topped off, caps back on. Just got to put on the little panel.
He's sliding into her DMs like,
Oh, terrible. So bad. Down she goes. Sweet.
nice.
All done. Because it's a Lotus, they're torqued to 77 foot-pounds. Ha ha! Get it? 7? Ha! Ha ha! It's so bad. It's so bad. First time you stomp the pedal, it's going to be really squishy, so we're just going to make sure the pedal goes in and gets firm.
Oh, it's firm right away.
It's already firm?
Oh,
All right.
yeah. It's
We're good.
mechanical stuff.
Sweet.
It's great.
Sweet. There we go. As you can see, changing out the brake fluid on the Lotus, super simple. Very, very easy. Only 1 bleeder per caliper, although there was the 2 bleeders on the front, but I don't think it's really necessary to do the inner one just because of the way it was designed. So it's gonna be bleeding out that area anyway, just because the brake line comes in right where the bleeder is. Mark's a super nice guy. Again, saw him probably on the VinWiki. If you haven't, go watch his story. I'll link to it in the description below. Another cool car. Thought you might like that. Some of you guys are Lotus fans. I've never worked on one, and they're kind of cool. You really kind of want to try one. So I'm gonna have to try driving one of those things. All right, guys, we're gonna be doing a lot of car stuff. You're gonna want to stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet.